Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Canva app tips and tricks. In today's video, I will show you how to use Canva templates to design without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Canva app. Having opened up your Canva app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to templates right here. Then here you go. You have so many templates right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different templates. You have video templates, you have image templates right here. However, not every template here are free templates. Some of them are premium templates that you will need to subscribe to a pro version before you can use some of the templates right here. However, for any template you choose right here, I'm going to show you on how to use it without any stress. Let's, for instance, we want to work with this particular template right here, this corporate template right here. Build your business with us. Go ahead and click on the template. It's going to load up to this interface right here, whereby you can edit the. It's going to load up to this interface right here, whereby you can edit the template. For instance, you want to change the text, go ahead and click on the text. Then you can see an icon and some of the tools from the top right here, which allow you to work with the text. So if you want to change the text right here, you can also change the font style. You can change the font size as the case may be. Like for instance, if you want to change the font size, go ahead and click on font right here. You can drag. The more you drag, the more the font size is going to be adjust just like so. Now you want to change the font color, slide in this way, click on this icon right here. This allows you to change the font color. You can also slide this way to see more different color as the case may be. You can decide to change to whatever color of your choice from some of the numerous color right here. I'm going to use this yellow color right here, just like so. The more you slide, the more you see different color, and at the same time, you can use gradient color. If you want to add gradient color, just select any of the gradient. Like for instance, this is one of the cool gradients right here. Then you can drag in as the case may be. Once you are satisfied with the color and the font size, then you are good to go. Then you can move to the next paragraph right here. So this is with us. So this particular with us right here, you can also change the color, or better still, you can change the font style and the font size. So slide in this way to change the text style right here, and then you have different you have heading, you have sub heading as the case may be. You can also click on see all. This allows you to see more stuff right here. I'm going to choose sub heading right here, and I'm going to go ahead and then click on here to go back, just like so. I'm going to go ahead and click on here to close this tab right here, and also I can change the color of this with us. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here. This allows me to open color palette. So here I'm going to choose this to completely white, just like so. The next thing we want to do here is to move to the next element right here, which is get started. So under this elements of get started, it has some shapes in the bottom, and at the same time it has text. So we can work on some of these elements right here. So we can work on the shape. Just click on it, drag the text somewhere, and then this allows you to select the shape. Now you see we are working with the shape now. So you can change the shape style, you can work on the shape, and then you can add effect. The more you drag, the more you see different stuff as far as this particular shape is concerned. You can click on more right here. This allows you to see more stuff about the shape. The more you scroll down, the more you see different things. And then one thing here is that you can as well add a clickable link to that particular icon. So for that, click on this link right here. So when you click on link, then you'll be asked to copy and paste your link in this particular place right here. It's that simple. Let's quickly go back to the shape. Now from the shape right here, you can also make a copy of the shape. You can also change the style. You can also delete the shape if you don't want to have that type of shape. So in this tutorial, if we want to delete the shape, we can easily click on the trash icon right here, then click on the get started right here, and then reposition and adjust the text. Now we can also change the font size and the color as the case may be. So we can click on edit tab right here. Now we want to change from get started to we want to change click here. So we can say click here. So I'm going to delete the get started, and then we can say click here. Click here. Okay, now when we type in click here, we can also change the font style and the color. Click on the color right here. Go ahead and highlight. We make sure we highlight all the text. Now we want to go ahead and click on color. Then from the color right here, we can easily change to whatever color. So we can see I change to white color right here. Okay, or we can change to gradient right here, and then we can reposition to another color. We can also change color from some of these right here. So I think I'm satisfied with that color right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to close this tab. So we have that. So click here, build with us. Then we can also work on the telephone number right here. Click on here. So click on the telephone. When we click on the telephone, we come down to edit right here. When we click on edit, then this allows us to add our personal phone number. So you can add your phone number right here, or your business phone number. And then you can also click and hold down to highlight, and then you can make it bold. So right here, and make sure you slide right here and look for bold. Okay, so this is bold right here. You can make it bold. You can also change the color as the case may be. So once you are satisfied, go ahead and click on the OK right here. Now we have the phone number. We can also move to the email right here. Click on the email, and then you want to make sure you click on edit. Then you want to make sure you enter your email. You can say info at example.com. At example.com. That's for your email. You can also slide in right here and change different things as far as the email is concerned. You can change the text style. You can also realign as the case may be. So go ahead and click on this check mark right here, just like so. Now you want to make sure we click on the phone number right here. So when you click on the phone number, click on the phone number right here. When you click on the phone number, we want to make sure we drag in this way. So we just want to add text spacing to the phone number. Click on here, and then line spacing right here, letter spacing. So, or better still, you can add line spacing. Once you are satisfied, just go ahead and then click on here to close this tab right here. Then you have done. Then one more thing here is that we can work on the background. Go ahead and click on the background right here. You have different background shapes right here. So we can decide to change this particular background shapes color. So go ahead and make sure you click on this color icon right here. When you click on the color icon, you can slide in this way. The more you slide, the more you see different color. So we can make use of the normal gradient right here, just like so. So the more you drag, the more you see different color as the case may be, just like so. Now let's go ahead and click on the second shape right here. So the second shape has another color. So we want to make sure we click on color right here. I'm going to click on that. This time around, I can decide to switch to another color. So I think this particular gray color is still okay. So we want to make sure now we click on the main shape right here, which is blue color. So we want to go ahead now and click on this particular color right here. So when you click on this color, this allow you to choose. So this is the default color right here. Okay, so I can decide to switch to another color as the case may be. So I can decide to choose this particular color. I'm not satisfied with that. Check on this, it's not cool. Check on this. I think I'm good with this color right here. You can just play around and check different color as the case may be, and then make sure that whatever color you are choosing does not affect the text on the particular design, just like so. Once you are satisfied, then you can move on to another thing. Let's, for instance, you want to change the logo. Click on here, and then this allow you to, you can either delete the logo or replace with your personal logo right here, just like so. So I'm going to go ahead delete the shape. Then, and at the same time, I'm going to go ahead and click on here and make sure I delete this. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on here. I can easily drag this somewhere here, and I can leave that one as well. Then one more thing here is that you can change the picture right here. So for that, go ahead and click on the picture. So when you click on the picture, this allow you to uh, work on the picture. You can click on here. So you can easily click on replace right here. Then you can easily upload your personal picture, allow all. Then go ahead and make sure you select the picture from your phone album. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick any random picture from my phone gallery. So I will navigate to photos right here. So you have different photo from Canva, but in my gallery right here, click on my gallery right here, and then I'll go ahead and then select this particular photo. Then once you add your photo, it's going to be so you can see the image has been fully replaced right here. It's that simple. So once you are done with your work, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to download your design in JPEG or PNG or whatever file format available, just like so. It's that simple. So preparing your design, make the magic happen. So allow the system to fully export your design, and the design will be exported to your phone. Then from there, you can share the feed. So just like so, now you have your design right here. You can either share your design on WhatsApp, Instagram, Gmail, different options here that allow you to share the design. You can also save it into your gallery. So in my whole hand right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on save to file by Google right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and the design will be successfully saved and download into my device gallery. You can see one file saved to download, just like so. You have the design right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the design. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Canva for design, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.